Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this dirty lawnmower I got here. It's a Toro. I picked it up at a garage sale or something, and you can tell she's been sitting underneath some trees in somebody's yard for a while. Believe it or not, underneath of all of that is probably a really clean, nice machine with a little tune-up and a wash. We'll turn our $20 purchase here probably into a $200 sale. So I was just going to show you real quick how we clean it. We've got this spray bottle that's got a citrus cleaner in it. And what you do, you just give her the old hooza with the citrus cleaner. This stuff is pretty strong. It'll etch the paint if you let it sit for too long. So don't let it sit for very long. And also it dries quickly in the sun, so don't use it in the glaring sun unless you got some water to throw onto it. Keep it from drying. Sorry, let's change hands here. So anyway, you can see the air box and filters and thing there. I'll have to find those parts. But anyway, you give her a little dusting of the citrus love. And then we got a little 1100 psi power washer. It's only 1.5 gallons a minute, so it's pretty small. And what we do, we turn this baby on. So you get the idea. You get off that crop and she shines up pretty nice. So that's how you turn $20 into a couple hundred. Thanks for watching.